In this video, we'll be showing you how we rearrange apps on our iPhone. We're going to press and hold on an app and then select Edit Home Screen. Now, all of the apps will begin to wiggle, so we can drag each app wherever we want it. As you see, we're dragging the Games app, and as we're moving it around, all of the other apps are shifting to make room for that application. Now we can also move it to a different page by dragging and going off to the side that we want to move it to. As you see here, we can also drag it to an entirely new page by going to the right. And we accidentally went too far here, so let's go ahead and go back. But yeah, here's the new page. We could just drop it right there if we wanted to start a new page. And then let's show you how we can put them in a folder. So we'll drag it back to this page here, and then we will put it directly on top of another app. This is going to make it flash and then open up into a folder, and here you can change the title, rearrange apps like you could on the home screen. If you don't want the folder, just simply drag it out and it disappears. Once our home screen is arranged how we would like it, then all we have to do is press done in the top right corner and it locks everything in place. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.